And I know it's probably hard to believe with no fans, but you can feel the excitement from ice level.
It is Klingberg to make the first play. But it's at center. Sergachev across and a steal there by Seguin. Seguin dropped it back, fed by Dowling across, and a shot wouldn't go. Oh, great opportunity there, short-handed, and the penalty time is up.
Kucherov's over here on this side of the ice. They haven't gone that in a while.
Here's a shot by Point, save, rebound, score! Point! Power play goal! 1-0, Lightning!
William play right here. Gets the pass into Point. Big rebound given up. Janmark not able to have a strong stick and lift up the stick of Brayden Point, who follows up. And Tampa on the power play. You know, just that lack of feel there, and that created Point. He had pretty much a wide open net.
Shattenkirk with a shot, and that one loose. Oh, and a great stop made by Hudobin that time on Kucherov, and another try, and that wouldn't work. With that omnipresent stick, he sets it up again for Seguin. Seguin a drive, and a save made by Vasilevskiy. Seguin on through. Radulov back. Heiskanen there. Then Pavelski wanted to feed across to Ben, broken up and cleared back down. Chopped on ahead and brought back on by Camano. On a cross for a little feed, and Pavelski a backhander that's held by Vasilevskiy.
Well, maybe you draw a penalty, maybe you get an opportunity in front of the net, but something that they have to clean up big time, Dallas.
Maroon dropped it on back. A feed across on Coleman, scores! Blake Coleman makes it 2-0, Tampa Bay.
Good job by Maroon to pick this off in the neutral zone, drive that center lane, which opens up the passing lane for Paquette. And it draws a defenseman in, and then the finish by Coleman. A terrific play executed perfectly by Maroon, Paquette, and Coleman.
That hand-eye coordination.
Here is Palat yet again. Then onto the back, it's rifled across, and it's Kucherov a shot and a save made there by Hudobin.
You don't want to get cute with those. It's more about blocking, and if you have to leave a rebound, you just hope you leave it in front of you, not off to the side where it could be an empty net goal.
Shot off the post.
Well,
and turned back on.
That got tipped on the way in. The McDonough shot hit something before it got to Hudobin.
122 hits entering the night for Coleman. He must be sore. Here's a shot that is turned aside again by Hudobin. Another shot, and Hudobin got a piece of that one. Led onto the point. Klingberg there.
Just missed that. Just missed.
Not by a lot. Kept alive and punched back further. Forehand shot, and that one waffle boarded away by Vasilevskiy. Outlet it ahead for the carry back on, trying to work it back in, but unable to do so until just now. Oh, a great opportunity on the backhander that came from Cagliano. Turnaround shot, and that one blocked off and can be carried back up, and then gently laid back in once more by Barclay Goodrow. Around behind now, it can be sent on back for a shot. Save made there. Rebound, and it's cleared back down. Reacting quickly on that was Vasilevskiy. Persistent battling, and now it comes back out to center where it has to be played yet again. Stepping back in and trying to get there, and a great shot on goal, and a rebound. Oh, and a sprawling save is made there at the front of the net by Vasilevskiy. Dallas is going to come out of all of this with a power play. Can they cut the lead in half on the power play? Let's just see. Trigger pull there, and a great save made at the front of the net. They battle for it there, and it's rifled on around further by Chernak, and then walked on, and crossover, and a shot blocked down. Rebound, scramble in front. Oh, and it wouldn't go there. Comes on back now to Klingberg, then on to Ben again. Ben with a shot, and that one blocked away as McDonough got in the way of that. Rebound comes back out. Bennett shot, and that one blocked as 3 of the Lightning players went sprawling to send that one away. 37.4 to go. They hustle back for it, and trying to get there, and to get a trigger pull of a shot that went wide that time was Goodrow. And the Tampa Bay Lightning have won the Stanley